If you are looking for the best self-propelled lawn mower, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Greenworks Pro Self-Propelled Lawn Mower. The Greenworks Pro Self-Propelled Lawn Mower is present in the first position in this article as it is a highly reliable and powerful electric option. But even then, this lawnmower has a very justified price tag that makes it a great value for money option for a lot of users out there. This lawnmower is highly durable as it offers an excellent build quality along with a 4-year-long battery is much higher than other options out there. You get a 21-inch cutting width blade in this lawnmower that is quite great. Number 2. Craftsman M215 Self-Propelled Lawn Mower. Craftsman's M215 Self-Propelled Lawn Mower is present in the second position in this article as it can be a great option if you are looking for affordable gas-powered options. As per its name, it comes with quite a powerful 159cc engine. This engine powers the front wheels of this lawnmower that allows you to easily maneuver this lawnmower. While the front wheels measure 7 inches, the rear ones have a wheel size of 11 inches. This gas engine powers a 21-inch wide cutting blade in this lawnmower that is sharp. Number 3. Lawnboy 17732 Self-Propelled Lawn Mower. This Lawnboy 17732 Self-Propelled Lawn Mower is present in the third position in this article as it is one of the cheapest options available out there. Even then, it offers a decently large Kohler 149cc engine. And as you would expect, this OHV engine can generate decent power for cutting grass in your backyard. You also get a 3-year warranty with this gas engine and the lawnmower that makes it quite reliable. It comes with a large 21-inch cutting blade that also offers height adjustment. You can adjust its height from 1.25 inches to 3.75 inches. Number 4. Snapper Self-Propelled Lawn Mower. The Snapper XD-SX-D21SBWM82K is a great electric self-propelled lawn mower option that can be a great pick if you are looking for a highly reliable option. It offers a great build quality to the user due to all of the construction materials it uses. You also get a 5-year-long warranty with this lawnmower that is much higher than most other options out there. As per the name of this lawnmower, it comes with an 82-volt battery system that is much better than most other options out there. Number 5. Troy-Bilt 12 AV Atwo MR766 Lawn Mower. This self-propelled lawnmower from Troy-Bilt is quite similar to the Craftsman option mentioned earlier in this article. It comes with a 159cc OHV engine that is quite powerful. And since this engine powers a large 21-inch cutting blade, you can easily cut a lot of grass at once with clean cuts. All of the grass that you cut using this lawnmower can either be collected in its rear grass bag or side discharged as per your wish. It allows its users